Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Another review on the channel right here. We have NTG. It's not going to focus on that, but NTG Samsung case. We're going to hop right into this, ladies and gentlemen. This is like my fourth unboxing or something like that for the Galaxy S21, not the S22 that just came out. That has been sparking a lot of controversy with the new Note series and how they just got rid of the old Ultra, whatever. But NTG case, no one sent me this out. I purchased this with my own money. It was made in China, and packaging, probably a C-. Not a big fan of this. It's like, feels pretty cheap cardboard, but to be fair, like every package I've done thus far has been really bad for the packaging. I think Spigen, which I have over there, is actually like good quality, so I'm looking forward to that. I actually have two Spigen cases coming for the next two videos, so look out for that, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know when it's gonna come out. It's probably like, I'm filming this well in advance, but yeah, we're gonna hop right into this and I'll show you a bird's eye view of the actual unboxing experience once I get this tape off. So here we got the box itself. Here's my S21 with the Crave case on it. I'm gonna pop this bad boy off. This is number one at the moment, number one case in my opinion, because of its feel. And yeah, I just like the texture on the back and I think it's great. Has been great for not dropping the phone, which I don't normally do. I don't normally like drop my phone and stuff, but here's the S21. Put it right there, maybe a little out of frame. Here's the box itself, NTG. Let's hop right into it, and we'll get this thing out of the case. Another lackluster unboxing. There's literally nothing in here. We're gonna pop this bad boy open, and wow, this is like more rugged, I can tell. We'll see if this takes number one spot. So this is definitely like a more, how do you say, where's my other case to compare it to? Here's the Crave. More texture. This doesn't have as much texture on the back. However, this doesn't feel like it's slippery at all. The sides definitely feel non-slip with those little holes along the side. Kind of like this like cutout right here, which I think is used for grip. Feels very sturdy, so it almost feels like it's very tons of rubber here, but as you can see, here's the shatterproof pattern at the bottom. Here's the Craves, so just to compare those two, pretty similar design. Obviously, like this one's a lot of triangles. This one has some octagons, or not octagons, hexagons, with some triangles. But yeah, let's pop this on. Overall, so I should probably preface that this is also a similar design where it's a two-piece. So we have the hard shell plastic, and then we have the soft rubber. So they make the experience pretty nice for you. Honestly, I'm kind of like a fan of these. I don't know why I haven't gotten these sorts of cases in the past. But yeah, so you put the rubber on first because the rubber's the easiest part to get on. That on. That feels like a secure fit. And obviously you wouldn't just like rock it like this because it's so uncomfortable in your hand. It's like cut your hand up. And then you put the hard shell plastic on as well. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Crave, you got something in the run for my favorite here. This is a good feeling case. This feels super, super sturdy. I'd say this feels like it has slightly more protection than the Crave. If you just look at it like here. This feels like it has slight more protection. A little thicker, in my opinion. The Crave is still thick, but it's a little thicker. And let me just make sure this is all the way on. I don't think it is. Or maybe it is. I thought there was a little gap. Never mind. Cutouts there, if you can make this out. Cutouts are very, very deep. So this is as I said, this is a thicker case. So like it might impact the mic quality a little because those microphones are so recessed in there. But yeah, I like the design. Grippy, definitely. I thought it was going to be more slippery. But yeah, and this, I think one other thing is the Crave. It still like covers the screen, right? Like it still wrap over the screen here, or the Crave will. But this one wraps over even more. So this is going to protect the front side of your display even more compared to the Crave. Man, this is tough. This is tough because this is also a solid case. Similar weight to the Crave. It's not too much different. But let me do a quick button test. Okay, so definitely better buttons than the last case I reviewed. I'm kind of blanking on actually what the last case I reviewed was. I don't think I was a big fan of it, to be honest. Buttons are clicky, no issues there. Although there's just something about having these buttons on the Crave that I just like. I'm absolutely loving this. It's so pronounced and you never miss. So it's so easy. There's nothing wrong with the NTGs though. Let me just say that. Nothing wrong with it. Camera cutout right there. Here's the side dots for grip. This is a very grippy case. This feels like an OtterBox case. That's the best thing I can compare it to. This literally feels like an OtterBox case, which has like tons of drop protection. So this case will not let your phone get destroyed. I'll just say that right now. This thing is not going to let any drop or scratch impact your device. So I like it. Am I going to rock it? I like the texture of the Crave a little more, and I like the buttons a little more, so I'm going to still keep this one in first place. This one, however, this is a close second, I have to say. Very, very close second. I like the grip. It feels great. It's just slightly, it's like barely too bulky for me. Slightly too bulky, but that's okay. I'd highly recommend this one, and I'm going to tell you guys, go pick this case up. Okay, final thoughts on this case. It's good. I rate this very, very highly. I don't think I've been doing actual like scores for these reviews, but like very, very close second compared to the Crave. I'm going to probably stick with the Crave. However, this one actually surprised me. This is literally a budget OtterBox case. I used to actually have an OtterBox, and I can't even tell the difference between the actual OtterBox case and this case. So that speaks for itself. Go pick this one up. Links in the description. If you guys enjoyed this kind of content, make sure to support the channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like this video to help promote me on the YouTube algorithm. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you subs who actually subscribes to my channel, watches my videos, comments, interacts with me in the community, posts stuff. I'm going to be putting more polls out there, smartphone stuff. Yeah, we got 2 more cases in this series, so look forward to that, guys. I'm having a blast with this so far. Hopefully, like the new like camera angles and microphone quality and stuff like that. Been putting a lot of effort into my setup recently. So yeah, there we have it. NTG case, links below for the S21 series 6.2 inch, but they also make it for different sizes, I believe. So there we have it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.